It's Philip once again, and we're on board our 42-foot Kadey-Krogen, and we're walking up into the pilot house of this model. This has great visibility from the forward-facing pilot house. It's mounted forward in the boat, quite high up. Visibility is excellent. I ran the boat over from the islands the other day. It did not miss a beat, and it was rough out there. Look at that bench seat that we have here. Really comfortable for passengers. A single helm station. And most important thing is it has decent electronics. It's got a Raymarine autopilot. It's got a side power bow thruster on it, a Furuno depth sounder, an interface forward-looking sounder, an E120 unit, an Icon VHF radio, and a standard Horizon VHF radio with AIS in it. Lots of chart table area, full logs on this boat. The owners have been real diligent of their maintenance on and record keeping on the boat. Great looking boat. Opening doors, port and starboard. Really very, very comfortable cruiser for the Pacific Northwest. Somebody's could get a great boat. There's number 32 of Krogen 42 right there. Kadey-Krogen is what this is. Made in Taiwan. Canadian boat. Thanks for watching our pilot house video of this model.